Hi kabayan, kailangan mo bang tawagan ang BDO customer service pero hindi mo alam anong number ang idadial mo? Here is a list of the BDO customer contact center toll-free numbers, both local and international hotlines. So paano ba ito idadial? Example, kung nasa Canada ka. I-dial muna ang access code which is 011 tapos isunod agad ang 800-863-18000. Then press the call button. May automated na operator po na sasagot tapos susunod mo lang po yung instructions. Kung napansin nyo, wala po yung ibang countries gaya ng Saudi Arabia. Kung ikaw ay nasa China, Greece, Guam, Italy, Saudi at UAE, hindi mo na kailangan gamitin ang International Access Code dahil may direct connect po sila ng BDO. Just directly dial the number shown in this page according sa bansa kung nasaan ka. Halimbawa, if nasa Saudi ka, i-dial mo lang po itong number na ito and again, press call if you're ready to call them. Kung ikaw ay nasa Pilipinas naman, ito ang number ng BDO according sa inyong mobile or telephone network. Reminder lang po, bago ka po tumawag, make sure na may copy ka ng iyong passbook at ATM card para sa verification process na gagawin nila during the call. They will basically ask personal questions na relevant sa account ninyo. So ayun lang po guys, see you in my next video, bye!